Hello, so let's back for the working. In this video, we are creating our simple database to use and to um, using the examples to get and the other request, okay? And the response in other operation for our CRUD. Inserted, updated, deleted um, operations. So let's be creating other folder for our project. I created the add a new folder and I using the name infrastructure because I have information resource relation to access data or data access. Okay, so I have this new folder called I call like in this context good, and I created a class called my simple database. And the simple database, like the name say, I have the simple um, showing of data for a product list. And using this example that we created for our product controller, I copied this product and I paste in the simple database. And when we already saw in the last videos, for this context, for this namespace, infrastructure context, I don't have any class called product DTO, but we already having, sorry, we already see that the product DTO already existing in our models from this DTO folder, okay? So I need to add the reference for this class. And I'm using the shortcut control dot and choose the option the using. So I have my products. Very nice. So now I created a constructor from class. Remember the constructor is a method that have the same name from my class, the simple database. And I would like creating something, some mechanism, the initializing for us this list with price thing to the products. Okay, so a good name from this mechanism is load initial data. Good name, okay? So I would like this be a method for implementing this task. I don't have any method for this, so we will creating this and using the Visual Studio for create for us. So using the same shortcut, sorry, the control dot, I'm using this option, generate a method, because the Visual Studio create for us. Good. So in this method, I remove this line, the exception, and I created my all products. So we can to be using the two examples that we created for the controller. I only copy for a while these two products, okay? So using these, I created my product one, the mouse. I have, let's me, okay, this name, okay. I have my book from .NET. Let's create the semi structure for creating more three products, okay? So I created my product three, and let me see the code. Our ID is three, and I have wireless keyboard. Wireless keyboard. Let's create our four product, okay? Product four, the ID is the same four. And I have, let me see. Um, I don't know. Game controller for PC. Game controller for PC. And for last, let's create our five products. product, the same ID. And it's creating. Let me see what product we can use. Okay, let's creating this notebook or laptop. Notebook 15. And let's insert in more information. I don't know, 8 gigabytes of RAM. Let me see the processors. 5 processor. Okay, that's enough. So for our initial database, I have these 5 products. So now I need to insert this for our products collection, right? So other things I left in my collection new for start. And when we will unload the data, initial data, I verify if my list is instantiated. So my products, I verify if it's new or products have without products. So I have this option account, the return account of items for our collection. So equals O or new collection. I will insert it instantiated, okay, allocated someplace in the memory for our collection. And for completely, I will be fill this collection with our 5 products, and I should be make it is using this add method, inserted each product. So the first product, second and third one, but I haven't the more smart form to use implementing this. I have this option for my collection products, the add range, and I have the option to insert collection. Very more smart. So let's create a simple collection to insert for our list. So a new list product DTO. Okay. And for initializing this list, I only inserted the product separated 4 columns. So I have the product 1, 2, and so 1 until the 5 products. So or in my product 5. But for this form design, we completed this initializing the data for our collection. Very nice. So now I have the option to using these products from simple database. That's a no better form to organize the things, but this idea is creating the simple steps to test how the API working, and in the next video we'll be creating the things. Okay, so for now I using this collection inside from my simple database, and for access this collection and define the visibility public option. I have the option to access writing from our database this project, these objects, okay, this collection. So back for our controller, product controller, I changed the things for this get method. I removed this product because we define in the other place, so I can be removed product 1, 2, the option to add for collection, and remove this list. And we're using this our class a simple database. Okay, So let's use in this class simple database, and I need to add the reference. So Control dot, and using this option, using in verify repair the writing namespace where my simple database in B. Verify this infrastructure context my simple database. Infrastructure context inside my tree, my namespace stock manager API. You have the same name for our application API. Okay, good. So let's define the name for these objects like in database and instantiated using the new word. Good. So now I would like to access my collection products, and we're saving this for our collection object product DTO, and I need to insert the name for this collection. I call it like a result. So my collection result receive every product for our database. The simple database is not real database like MySQL, SQL Server, okay, or Oracle or Postgre, but it's very simple database. Resume it in the only simple collection list. Nice. For completely this example, we change return because we don't have more this one products and using this result. Very nice. The writing forms, I could be using this form. Let me change. Let me comment. For inserted some comments for more one line, we have the shortcut Control K C. And I could be using these forms. Retain writing return for my products. Okay, and now implemented using only one line, but I prefer using for now, for this moment, using more verbose mode this two line, because when we the video for debugging is good for to validate the data for collection. Okay, so let's test in this and play application. Let's test in this. Waiting. The app is loading, and I need to change for API / product. Oops, product. And voila. Look, our API for get request return every data inserted for our collection. Simple database. Good. So for this video, this is our objective is completed. It's creating this context, the simple context to stock to store our data for collection. Okay, so thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.